My name is Jimmy Harding. We've got the Ace Hardware store here in Huntsville, and my son was interested in this material, this peat, and surprisingly it took off better than I thought it did. We've been selling it. Seems to work good. I've planted some tomato plants in it, and it seems to help hold the moisture better, and it'll make your plants grow faster with your moisture content, and it gives better oxygen in the soil at the same time. We started with it, and we'll see how it goes. We've reordered, so that tells you it's selling.
Yeah.